It's a 2014 Mercedes-Benz GL 550 4MATIC. Drivers love its roomy seating, luxurious interior, and powerful engine. A smooth, capable ride comes from 4MATIC all-wheel drive with a 4-wheel independent Airmatic suspension. Comfort is guaranteed with heated front seats, climate control, and a power moonroof. Additionally, rain-sensing wipers and a garage door transmitter come standard.
Wrap yourself in the comfort of heated seats. Manage less and enjoy more of your movies, music, and maps with the hard disk drive media storage. The rain-sensing wipers remove rain, snow, or debris automatically.
A full-size SUV that's truly fulfilling. Come in for a test drive today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.